Everyone is saying AI will replace QA engineers. Here is what they are missing. AI is extraordinary at execution, running 10,000 regression tests overnight, generating test cases from acceptance criteria, writing automation boilerplate. It does all of that faster and cheaper than any human. But when Priya's company shipped a payment feature last March, the AI tool ran 800 tests and reported 0 failures. Priya read the user story, thought about a real customer on a slow connection, and blocked the release. She had found a double charge bug the AI never tested for, because nobody told it to look. That is not execution. That is judgment. And judgment is most of the job. Finding requirements that are missing before code is written. Saying this works but users will hate it. Knowing which edge case actually matters in production. No tool does any of those things. Those are the job. AI does not replace QA engineers. QA engineers who use AI replace QA engineers who do not. Every technology wave follows this pattern. The engineers winning right now do 5 things every sprint. They use Claude to find AC gaps before test planning. ChatGPT to generate first drafts in 20 minutes per feature. Boundary value prompts to cover all 8 edge points automatically. Copilot to write automation boilerplate in 4 minutes instead of 40. And a final gap review in Claude before the sprint closes. Same expertise, 10 times the coverage. Significantly harder to replace. The prompts are in the module. Start this sprint.